A very good morning, student. Welcome to Blue Stars. This is your 10th standard class in Unit 18 Heredity lesson, and today we are going to discuss about the DNA replication. I hope you all are active in this class. In the DNA replication, in page number 268 is there. Just have to recall once again for what we have seen in a previous class. We have seen a structure of a DNA. That is a Watson Crick model of DNA we see, no? And today we are going to discuss about the DNA replication. First thing, let we know that what is the meaning of DNA replication. Here, this is a basic double helix structure of DNA. You know that. Alright. Here a replication, DNA replication, which mean here a double helix structure, just they are separate to that. Okay, just they are separate to that and forming of another DNA pattern. They are combined with the another molecules. வேற ஒரு DNA molecules ஓட combine ஆகி nucleotide sequence combine ஆகி, so they are forming as a new DNA strand. That is the daughter cells. Okay, at the time of cell division அப்போ இது ஒரு செல்ல இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, they are present in a single cell. At the time of cell division, they need to form a two daughter cell. At the time, what will be happen? Each strand they are divided as a separate a daughter cell. They form as a full well blessed DNA. Okay, அதான் replication சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு DNA ரெண்டு DNA split ஆகி they form as a full well growth DNA molecules. Okay, here where it is occur, a DNA presence in the where pa? This is cells na. Inside of a cells only they are contained in nucleus. Nucleus is DNA. So here a DNA replication are occur within the cell. Where they are occur? Within the cell. And here a DNA molecules are produced. Here this is a DNA, right? This is what? DNA. A DNA molecules are produced exact carbon copy. Carbon copy na xerox copy எடுப்போம் இல்லையா? Xerox copy என்னது? What is that there in the paper? Just we have to take an exact copy for that. Same like that, what is in a parent cell? They are taken an exact copy of a daughter cell. That is the exact carbon copy of one structure during replication process. Exact carbon copy. இது ஒரு carbon copy na, இது another carbon copy. Okay, அது exact carbon copy. At the time of cell division, they are just formed. In here, a DNA molecule, they are complementary base pair in nucleotide structures. This is what? Nucleotide. Nucleotide is they are presence of adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, sugar phosphate. So all the things are comes under the nucleotide sequences. Here also they are having a nucleotide sequences. Same like that. In new strand form analo, they are also contained in nucleotide sequences. Legla. And here DNA molecules, they are nucleotide of each strand provide the information need to produce the new strand. ஒவ்வொரு DNA molecules இப்போ split up ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, first thing, just they are splitted here, and here they are having adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, same like that. And here also they need to produce the another strand produce ஆகணுமா? அப்போ nucleotide sequences என்ன பண்ணும்? Just they are provide the information to forming a new strand form ஆகிறதுக்கு just they are provide information to that. RNA primers இருக்காங்க. Okay, and here they are forming of a new strand again with the help of a trophoisomerase ஒரு enzyme இருக்கு. With the help of trophoisomerase they go for a helicase like structures. Okay, so this is what a DNA replication. This is a basic process of DNA replication. We will say that laterly for a detailed way of DNA replication, how they are taken place. So this is a meaning for DNA replication. What is a DNA replication? DNA replication is a basic process occur within the cell. Here a dot, that is the parent cells are divided to form a well growth two strands of டிஎன்ஏ த பேரண்ட்ஸ் டாட்டர் செல்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? யார் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுறாங்கன்னு பார்த்தானாக்கா டிஎன்ஏ மாலிகுல்ஸ். இந்த டிஎன்ஏ மாலிகுல்ஸ் ஒரு ஸ்டாண்ட் இருக்குது இல்லையா, they are given a information need to produce the new strand. A new strand in the DNA, two resulting daughter cells are contain a exact DNA genetic material to the parents. The daughter cell, this is a what? A daughter DNA, just they are contain a exact genetic material to the parent. Parent or exact genetic material daughters கிட்ட இருக்கும். Okay, so that's it for an introduction about the DNA replication. Okay, let me know that where their origin of replication is started and what is the unbundling process and formation of RNA primers. There are some steps of replication. Let me see that one by one. Origin of replication. Yes, here the first step in the DNA replication is origin of replication. What is the first one, ma? Origin of replication. Here origin of replication. Replication என்ன சொன்னோம்? Double helix இருக்க stand, just they are separate as a single stand. Okay, so origin of replication in the partல just they are separate as a two stand. That is an origin of replication. Okay, here a specific point of DNA. So this is a specific point of DNA. They start to separate. They being a site of origin. This is a site of origin of replication. Okay, அது என்ன பண்ணுது? Two stand இருக்கிறது just they are separate as a single stand, so that here they are having one enzyme just they act as a replication fork. Would they act as a replication fork? Okay, here they are having an enzyme na, that is the next point. Unbundling of DNA molecules la irukku. What are the molecules are involved in that to separating the replication process? Okay va, first thing enadhu? Origin of replication la point of DNA where replication is being. Here point of DNA where replication is being open and separate as a two stand. Double helix இருக்கிறத just open and separate as a two stand at the point. அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல DNA molecules எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதா? that replication fork மாதிரி இருக்கு அங்க முள்ள. ஓகேமா, they are just act as a replication fork. So that's it for an origin of replication. Let me move on. Next one, unbundling of DNA molecules. Just write a topic, unbundling of DNA molecules. Unbundling of DNA molecules. Here unbundling of DNA molecules. Unbundling nale bundling process helicase like structures irukka, this they are separate to that. Okay, that is a unbundling of DNA molecules. Here they are having a double helix structure, so some enzyme or bind in that, some enzyme or bind in the double helix structure, just they are form as a unbundling process. அதுக்கு ஒரு enzyme இருக்காங்க, the name is topoisomerase. Who's an enzyme? Topoisomerase. Okay, here the topoisomerase enzyme is there. No, what is the major function na? Double helix, and the double helix part la just they are attached to that, attach பண்ணி and separate as a single stand. ஒரே ஸ்டாண்டா செப்பரேட் பண்ணும். ஓகேமா, அதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல முடியும் எப்படி இருக்கும்? DNA double helix structuresல தான் இருக்கும். And binding of topoisomerase just they are form as a unbundling process. Unbundling process start பண்ணுவாங்க. And each separated DNA here, each separated DNA function as a template. Templateனா where they are, இப்போ ஒரு டிஎன்ஏ மாலிகுல்ஸ் இங்கே கூட அட்டாச் ஆகி நியூ ஸ்டாண்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகலாம், அண்ட் இங்கே கூட அட்டாச் ஆகி நியூ ஸ்டாண்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகலாம். ஓகேவா, அதனால தான் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, ஈச் செப்பரேட்டட் டிஎன்ஏ ஸ்டாண்ட் இஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆஸ் ஏ டெம்ப்ளேட். ஒவ்வொரு டெம்ப்ளேட்டாக ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஓகே, அண்ட் ஹியர் they are having some enzyme point to separate the DNA molecule. That enzyme name is helicase. What is the enzyme name? Helicase. Helicase is an enzyme, just they are help to replicate the DNA. Thus separate divide பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு enzyme இருக்காங்க, that is a replication பண்றதுக்கு the name is helicase. Okay, that enzyme is called helicase. they are only separate the 2 strand of DNA. அதுதான் என்ன பண்ணுது 2 strand divide பண்ணுது. Tropoisomerase work என்னது twisted, that is a helicase like structuresல இருக்க unbundling processல, அதாவது helicase அத சுருசுருலாம் இல்லாம நீட்டி விடும் சரியா. and next one helicase just they are separating as a adenine guanine தனித்தனியா ஆக்கிட்டு ஒரு தனித்தனி ஸ்டாண்டா ஃபார்ம் ஆக்கிடுவாங்க. okay, so this is the what unbundling of DNA molecules. first thing, what is an unbundling of DNA molecules? tropoisomerase bind பண்ணுவாங்க. bind பண்றச்ச என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஹெலிகேஸ் லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் சுருசுருடா இருக்கிறத ஒரே ரிப்பன் லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. சேஞ்ச் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் ஹெலிகேஸ் போவாங்க. அதுதான் ரெப்ளிகேஷன் ஸ்போர்க் மாதிரி ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் அங்கே அட்டாச் பண்ணியிருக்க நியூக்ளியோடைட் சீக்வென்ஸை ஜஸ்ட் தே ஆர் ப்ரோக் பண்ணிட்டு டபுள் ஸ்டாண்டா தனித்தனி ஸ்டாண்டா செப்பரேட் டிஎன்ஏவா ஜஸ்ட் தே ஆர் செப்பரேட் தட் இன் தட் வித் தி ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் ஹெலிகேஸ் என்சைம். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் இட் ஃபார் an unbundling of DNA. and next one, formation of RNA primers. What is the third point? Formation of RNA primers. Formation of RNA primer. Here a formation of RNA primer, which mean an RNA primer is a short segment. For an example, this is a separate DNA na. RNA primers is short segment like this. RNA primers is short segments of nucleotide. ஒரு nucleotide ஓட இருக்கும். and here a primase synthesize the DNA template. இந்த primers தான் என்ன பண்ணுது, DNA ஓட template synthesize பண்ணுது and close the origin of replication. அப்படி லைன் இங்கே ஒரு RNA primers attach ஆவாங்க, at the same time இங்கே ஒரு RNA primers attach ஆவாங்க and then they synthesize as a new strand. okay, so that RNA primers is act as a template of a DNA and close the origin of site. the original site, that is the replication site close பண்ணுவாங்க. okay, so that's it for a formation of RNA primers. so that's it for a 3 steps of DNA replications. first thing, origin of replication எங்க origin பண்றாங்க ஓகேவா. first thing என்னது, origin of replicationல first DNA replicate being a site of origin of replication, they are separate as a fork மாதிரி divide பண்ணிடுவாங்களாம். and next one, அதை divide பண்றதுக்கு யார் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருப்பாங்கன்னா tropoisomerase. first one, tropoisomerase DNA molecule bind ஆயிட்டு that is the helicase like structures இருக்கிறது unbundling ஆக்கி and next one enzymes, அந்த helicase enzymes போயிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, செப்பரேட்டா தனித்தனி ஸ்டாண்டா டிவைட் பண்ணி வச்சிருவாங்க. ஓகே, டிவைட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் formation of RNA primers இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, just they are attached to the replication siteல attach பண்ணிட்டு just they are synthesized as a new strand of DNA வை synthesize பண்ணுவாங்க. okay, so that's it for an origin of, that is the DNA replication. and next one, synthesize the new complementary strand. இப்போ RNA primers attach பண்ணிட்டாச்சு சொல்லியாச்சு, அப்போ new strand form ஆகுது இல்லையா, how they are synthesized, that only we are going to discuss about the next video. okay, synthesize of new complementary strand form of a parent strand. okay, let me see that how they are synthesized.